Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keith Winslet Vlog. So before we begin for another coverage, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you want to be notified every video that I will upload, you can also hit the bell notification. So as you can see in the initial video clip, I will do an unboxing and review of what we call the Google Chromecast 3, and we grabbed this opportunity to purchase this. As we all know, unfortunately we are locked down here right now in Malaysia, so at least to remove the boredom and to release and to relax, so we decided, or one of my housemates purchased this so that we can also watch the updates, the news, in our big screen in the living room, because unfortunately our TV is not a smart TV. So this will help you to convert your regular flat screen TV to a smart TV. So let's begin. I will just discuss basic, features of this specific device created by Google. So like what I mentioned, this is already the third Google Chromecast they created. You can access YouTube, that's one, Facebook, Spotify, Netflix. Especially nowadays, people are doing movie marathon in Netflix because we need to stay at home so that we can at least enjoy ourselves, and while we are at home, we keep ourselves busy and unwind and relax. And you can also download other apps, and you don't need to worry. By the way, you can once you set it up, you saw in the video, it's compatible with iOS for Apple users, and for Android you just need to go to Google Play and download the Google Home app, because you need to download that first in order for you to gain access and mirror whatever is in your phone, and so that you can watch it in the big screen. So later on I will show it to you. The basic setup, it's purely plug and play, and you don't need to download the software or needs a computer. No, it's a plug and play. The moment you remove it in the box, automatic, just put the power cable, the actual Google Chromecast, and then put it in the, or place it in the power source, and then you're all set. And what other features? And this is a 1080 HD support. So these are the other features. You can also, oh, by the way, make sure for sure nowadays all flat screen TVs, whether it's a smart TV or not, it's already an HDMI capable, so you can plug it directly. Just check the settings of your TV, and then simple setup. Once you download the app, the Home app, it will guide you and it will ask for your Gmail account. So as much as possible, you need to register your Gmail account so that it will be linked faster to the Home app created and built in for this device. So this is the new feature of the Google Chromecast 3. So it will come very handy, especially nowadays. We're now approaching, and for sure not only here, not only in Malaysia, but other parts of the world, people are, are just at home, spending time with their family, and making sure to stay healthy. So this specific tiny device will at least ease your situation while you're at home.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh baby, please let me love you much. Baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out sweet as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. Let me love you much. Baby, don't hold back, get me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach your sweet as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. Love you much. You found me happy, you leave me happy. Every day I like to go far with you. Don't forget me now, oh, don't let me down. Everything I do is for your heart, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach your sweet as a heart, baby. Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh,
So without further ado, I hope you like this video, and see you soon on my next vlog. And always remember, stay safe. God bless everyone, and make sure do proper hygiene and just follow what is necessary in order for us to be safe, especially the COVID-19 is no joke. Okay? Before I end the video, eat, vlog, sleep, and repeat. Terima kasih. Thank you for watching.
never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up.